How to stop mentioning my name in Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see that how can you stop mentioning your name on Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Facebook app, then tap here. Now we scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings, then tap on profile settings, then here tap on profile and tagging. So the thing is that there is no feature in Facebook that will stop people from mentioning your name, but changing the audience of someone tagging you strictly may decrease the number of times you are being tagged. So here tap on this who can see post you are tagged in on your profile, and tap on see more and select only me. Now go back, tap on when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it. Again here select only me. Now again go back and tap on share your post with your tagged friends in Messenger and select no. So this is how you can almost stop people from tagging your name on Facebook. Thanks for watching.